Once you have accessed the accounts.pvsd.org portal, select the Register button at the bottom of the page. On the next screen, enter your name, student number, date of birth, and select a school building from the drop-down menu. When you're all finished, click Continue to go to the next screen. On the next page, you will be asked to view an AUP video that will help you understand what an acceptable use policy is. The AUP itself is accessible in the window below the video. You may download the document to read it or view it on the screen by scrolling through. Once you have read the AUP, click the button to indicate that you have read the document, and then click Continue to go to the next page. On the next page, you will be asked to acknowledge that you have read the student handbook. Once again, you may download this document to read or view it on the screen. When you have read the document, click on the box saying that you have read and understood the handbook, and then click Continue. On the next page, you will be able to set your password. Please note that the password must be at least 8 characters long, have 1 capital letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 numeric digit. After choosing your password, enter it a second time and click Submit. The next screen shows you your PV student account credentials. Make sure you remember the information on this page so you can log on to student devices and access Google Apps. You may want to write down what you see here in a safe place so you have it for future reference. If you later forget your credentials, please see a teacher for assistance.